Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some Death Run, and I've played this. I'm not too good at it, but hopefully I can. I'm gonna do good today, hopefully. Bro, how'd I die? Can anyone explain that? Okay. Also, before I played, there were two games I was in with the that guy who kind of like activates traps. He just left. I don't know why. They probably had time to go. Yeah, it didn't go too well for me. Cause it was like, oh, I came number one. Yay. So I guess that's my first actual win. Oh dang it, I couldn't jump in time. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Oh, my sister's having like a play date with one of her friends. So if you guys can like ignore that I just died too, kinda ignore that. Cause that never happened. Never. I promise. Please. No.